Yeah, I'm Larry Oguntoye, the community lead for Teach to Reach Educators Community. Our community is a community of teachers primarily based in Lagos, Nigeria, and all we do is cascade excellence under the umbrella of the Teach to Reach initiative. We have the goal of commonly creating access to quality education by enhancing the quality of access teachers have to quality teacher trainings and continuous professional development. My team and I created and seek to grow this SDG4 impact community because we believe in championing a cause, that is greater than us, or a cause whose purpose and impact will outlive us. So, having been exposed to international best practices in education, and I have seen a sharp difference in the quality of instructional practices between schools in Nigeria. And I believe that this gap in access to quality education can be gradually reduced when effort is engineered to proliferate best practices among teachers. So, my team and I believe that teachers who are experienced and have acquired certain relevant 21st century teaching and learning skills can serve as mentors to others who are less skilled teachers, and especially those in low income communities or low income areas who may not be able to afford quality trainings due to the high cost of training. This is actually what birthed our community. So we believe that the 21st century places a mandate on us to collaborate and share best practices. And we want to be a part of the solution that will bring our national education system out of its present, quagmire. So we believe that when we join our personal and individual effort together in our various schools, it can go a long way in building values for teachers. So, what do we expect in this particular program, and why do we want to be part of it? Truly, we know that we are a body of individual teachers who are full of dreams and passion to build community of empowered educators, especially in low income sector. That is very critical to us. But in practice, passion is not enough. So, having heard of the Facebook Accelerator programs. We are delighted of the opportunity to get mentorship and have access to experts whose wealth of experience and expertise can help to grow the Teach to Reach community in order for us to be able to reach a wide range of teachers. So we hope to learn and get funding to build structure that will accentuate the growth of our community. Thank you.